Alright, now imagine this. You buy some new sanding blocks, but you haven't got anywhere to put them. And the sanding blocks are nice ones. As you can see here, they're made of black walnut. Now I bought those, again in Maker Central, from a guy called Simon Stevens Cairns. And I will leave a link in the description if you're interested in checking his website out. And I'm going to put these into some of the spare shadow foam that I've got. But it's not just going to go in the foam, it's not going to go in a drawer. What I've decided to do is put it into a frame. Now the wood for the frame is going to be Douglas fir. So let's see how it all goes, how it fits together, and where I'm actually going to put it once I've made it all. Let's get on with it. So now I'm ready to glue up the frame. Normally I would use this, however I've made a new purchase. I'll rephrase that, I've made another new purchase. It's another one from Matt Esley. Before I've had his marking knife. This time he has developed his own framing jig. And I've just got to point out that I'm not sponsored in any way, shape or form by any of these companies that I've mentioned, because I have bought everything with my own money. This is the kit you get. Nice little presentation box. And he's done this so that you've got somewhere to keep it all. And you can get these rods to go with it. These ones are obviously 6mm ones, but you can get these rods from your big box stores. I know B&Q sell them for anybody in the UK. Let's put the frame together and see how this all works. Dry fit done, time for the glow up, but I've realised some of my mitre cuts aren't brilliant, so I'll have to work on them afterwards. Let's glue. Right, so there we go, sanding blocks are done. They're there at the bottom of the tool cabinet, and as you can see above it I've also done 3 of my chisels because I didn't have room to do the 4th one, which was the mortise and tenon chisel. As you can also see, I've added some LED lights around the frame so I can change them to any colour, but I do like on blue. And if you'd like to see another video that I've done using the shadow foam, then click on this video and I'll see you all in the next one.